Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to teach you how to do avoidance of toll roads or other avoidances in an old TomTom XXL IQ routes GPS. These are really old, they're about 10-15 years old, but they work great. They still work. They could still install the newest maps on them. There's a few hacks here and there that you need to do, because if you try to install the maps online, it will tell you this device is not supported, but of course you can install any maps on these. And yeah, so this is how we do the avoidance of toll roads and whatnot. Let's get started and learn. So the first thing you need to do is you go to the home screen, just like the main screen, tap on the center of the screen like that, go to change preferences like that, and once you're in change preferences, go to the right arrow once, twice, 3 times, and go to planning preferences. Okay, planning preferences. Click on the planning preferences and always plan the fastest route. Accept that, leave that, click done. Here, always switch to that route. Ask me if I want that route, if that traffic situation changes, all right. The toll roads. Ask me when. I don't know what's up with these lines on the screen. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna put it diagonally so you don't see those lines. Okay, right. When you put it diagonally, the lines appear like this when the pixels of the camera matches the pixels of the screen. So if you do like this, then you will avoid that. Okay, so ask me when there are toll roads on my route. Always avoid toll roads. You click on that. Never avoid toll roads. You click on that if you want to. So this is where you choose always avoid toll roads. Click done. And ask me how do you want to handle ferries? Little boats that take your car. You can, same thing, whichever option you like. How would you want to handle carpool lanes? Same thing. You want to avoid carpools, toll roads, you name it. And how do you want to handle unpaved roads? If you want to go to off-roads, do you want to avoid or not? Same thing. And do you want the route summary screen to close automatically after 10 seconds? Yes or no? It's a no-brainer. Just choose your option. And you're all done. So now it will avoid toll roads. All right. I hope this video was educational. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you.